This is the D3284 Croft Art Deco centre doorknob. This particular one's been done in satin chrome finish. It's a really heavy doorknob actually, and Croft makes some wonderful items. They're really exceptionally well made. They do 21 different finishes. So this particular one, like I say, is the satin chrome, but they do them in brass, bronze, Tudor bronze, all rub bronze. Lots and lots of different finishes which are all available on our website. You just choose the finish you need. The centre doorknob works by this threaded rod which goes through the back of the doorknob here, and it simply unscrews out the back of the doorknob. There's a couple of pin fixings there to locate the back plate into the doorknob, so you'll need to countersink these into your door. This rod then goes through the centre of your door and it ends up terminating on the inside of your door with this nut on the back. So the nut basically will detach also, so you can fit the whole thing into your door. Croft items are exceptionally well made. They're all made in England, in the West Midlands, and they make things to a superior high standard.